In this quick guide video, let me show you how to follow companies inside of Glassdoor. By following companies inside of Glassdoor, you'll be able to get the recent updates such as new job postings, company related news, as well as reviews that people have added in. So in order for you to follow a company, you just need to head over to the company section and then type in the name of the company. Also, you can head over to one of these sections so that you can scroll through a bunch of companies and then visit its profile. Once you're inside of its profile, you'll be able to see the follow button right here on the top. And there you go, the follow now has been made. Any new updates on their profile, you will be notified via your email, as well as you'll be notified on the notifications tab if you have enabled them. So that's exactly how you follow companies inside of Glassdoor. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.